Who am I? Who are we? This question is as old as humanity itself. The answers we choose make all the difference between peace and turbulence in our lives. When we ask, "Who am I?" we instinctively answer, "I must be my body and my mind." What else is there, right? At first glance, it appears that we are no more than a bundle of carbon and hydrogen on some insignificant planet in a remote corner of the universe. But it turns out that for some strange reason, we are also sentient. We have minds. We have intellects. We are able to make sense of things. We have thoughts. We have memories. Most interestingly, we are also conscious. We experience things. In fact, what we call life is but a collection of personal subjective experiences. As you watch this, light is traveling to your eyes and sound is traveling to your ears, causing images and words to be formed in your brain. Somehow, magically, the act of watching this video is translated into an experience in the mind. This is true of everything we do. When we are awake, we experience the world. When we sleep, we experience dreams. In deep sleep, we experience nothingness. We are fundamentally experiencers of things. Who are you? You are an experiencer of things. This is a clever answer, no doubt, but it is not a complete one. What is it that causes you to experience things? Surely it is not the body, because when you sleep, the body is inactive, and yet you experience dreams. So it cannot be the body. Could it be the mind? It is tempting to think of the mind as the source of experience. Here is the problem with that idea. We are aware of the mind itself. If the mind is the source of all experiences, then we wouldn't be able to experience the mind itself. We wouldn't be aware of the mind. And yet, we are aware of the mind. There must be something else that lies beyond the mind. That something is consciousness. Vedanta calls it Atman, your true self. Who are you? You are the consciousness that illumines the mind. The body and the mind are but instruments wielded by you. You are Atman, eternal and limitless. You are the witness. You are the observer. You are as old as time itself. You are a child of immortal bliss. This is the great truth of Advaita Vedanta.